Automations are a powerful way for you to set up triggers and actions inside of your Mighty network. So, a trigger is when what kicks off the automation, and then the action is what happens afterwards. So, let's set one up together so you can see how powerful they are. I'm going to create an automation called Founding Member. So, what I want to do is when somebody joins my Mighty network, I want to give them a badge that says Founding Member. So I'm going to go ahead and select the trigger. You can see that there are all these different types in here. Things with custom fields, completing the welcome checklist, join the network, left the network, all of these wonderful, great triggers. So I'm going to go ahead and choose join the network for this one. And then I'm going to say add a badge. So here, let me just show you some of the great actions that you can use here. Adding and removing a badge, display a pop-up with optional confetti, which is real fun. Welcome a new member, invite to plan, etc. So lots of things that you can do. But for this one, we're going to go ahead and add a badge. And then I'm going to choose my founding member badge. I can also set whether this happens immediately or after, 1 minute, 10 minutes, etc. So if you don't want it to send immediately, like if you wanted to have a little bit of a delay, you could put that in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and choose immediately. And then I'm gonna click create. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like when a new member joins the Mighty Network. So I have just created my account here and I'm joining my Mighty Network, and you will see that it says welcome, and I also got a notification which I received a new badge. So I can see that I now have a founding member badge, and if I click on it I can see what it's all about and also the other members that have that same badge. So that's automations, and you can see how powerful a tool it is for you and your members.